Hello shitlords and welcome to Vortex PvP. What's up guys, we're back with another video, another coding tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at some errors that I made and adding some more, implementing some more stuff. So actually I found out that I made an error here. So if you are following along at home, in where it says set death to player blah blah blah, put a 2 in between it. Because at the moment that will not be working. Once you've finished putting the 2 in, we're going to create a new command today. We're going to create a command that allows you to basically see your deaths and other people's death stats. So to do this, we're going to do command/death, and I'm going to put the same thing as I did last time, because if we have that without that around it, they'll actually have to put their name in or something like that. But I'm going to allow them to just do it by normal. We always have to put in a trigger that allows people to, the command triggering. I'm not going to put permissions or permission message in this time, because, they don't need, I'm not going to need to give them a permission to do /death, am I? It's only death admin that really needs a permission. So, to do this, we're going to do if arg1 is not set, creating another variable just the same as normal, but this time we're not going to have it provide a player. We're actually going to make it send them a message. As you saw there, I didn't enter the full message, the thing came up below and I just pressed enter and it automatically went in straight away. What I'm going to now do is I'm going to type in a certain amount of lines of words we're going to put in. So I'm actually going to put in, you have died, and we're going to create another variable inside it, death.player. So that would be replaced with a number, amount of times. So you have died, for instance, 3 amount of times, but we don't really want that because that sounds really boring. 3 times, 1 time, etc. But that's not actually going to, if it's just going to always say 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, etc. But that's really shit because it's going to be annoying. So what we're going to do is we're going to set if death.player is 0 or 1. We're going to have it send them the message, the same message, death message, but instead you have died, death.player time. So you have died 1 time, 0 time, but 0 actually sounds better when it's in there. So 0 times, but you know what, instead of that we're going to have it is 1, it's going to send that message. If death.player is more than 1, it's going to send them this message. If death.player is 0, send at 4 at L death message, you have not died yet, exclamation mark. So that's just going to basically show them if they've died, if they've not died, etc. As well as adding plurals and just other variables that you normally have. Now I'm going to add if arg1 is set, so else and actually just copy the code into the next layer. So I'm going to press Ctrl X by accident. You can press Ctrl C if you don't want it to disappear. So it's if death.player, that's going to show you your deaths. So what we want to do is we want to replace that with arg1. So instead of you have not died yet, arg1 has not died yet. So that will replace the you have not died yet with arg1 has not died yet. And then we want to do it for the other one. So we want to have arg1 here. Arg1 has died arg1 times. So that's just replacing that to show that instead of the player name. Because if we leave it as player, it will just, when you do /deaths, it will just show you your stats, which we don't really want. But at the moment, I'm going to come back to something after we've done all this. So I'm just going to quickly pause the video and do that quickly because you don't really need to see it because I've already done it once. As you see, I've now edited the arguments to, well, the player to have arg1 and fixed the grammar a bit as well. But if at the moment you can do /deaths and your name and it will just show you your stats. But that's a bit shit because you can just do /deaths. So what we're going to do is if arg1 is player, send death message. You can view your stats by doing /deaths. And then we want to create an else statement here. Tab that all in by highlighting it all and pressing the tab button, which is quicker than just doing it individually. It'll just tab it in and you don't need to bother about anything else. And then we have it. We've got a new command that will outline the deaths of the player. So now we can do some more complex stuff. Next time we're going to create config files, a scoreboard, stuff like that. And we'll be able to have like a scoreboard at the side that says your deaths instead of you having to do /deaths and stuff like that. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day wherever you are. Don't forget to save your file once you've done it, because if you lose it, you're going to have to recopy it all over again. If you do happen to lose it, I'll put a paste bin in the description so you can just copy it. But if you do just copy it, you're just cheating yourself. So just make sure that you type it out instead of just going, oops, I'm just going to copy all this because I'm stupid and boring. Copy it line by line. Make sure you familiarize yourself with it. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and come on the server, punch our staff in the face. Have a great day, guys. See you wherever you are. Peace.